Finding out you're pregnant comes with so much excitement, but a lot of uncertainty and so many changes. You've probably got cravings like never before. In our Medical Minute, advice from Dr. Jennifer Salinas on what you should be eating when you're expecting.
Well, when you're pregnant, you're eating for two, so you do need some additional calories, but surprisingly, it's only about 300 extra a day. The thing is that you need to make sure it's the right kind of calories. So, for example, you want to eat increased protein, about 75 grams a day. You want to make sure you're getting enough calcium. And then there's certain foods to avoid, such as not having undercooked meats and eggs, no raw seafood. The lunch meats and hot dogs, you really want to steam them until they're steaming hot, basically to kill the bacteria so it doesn't get to the baby. And you want to avoid fish that have a high content of mercury.
Of course, the most important thing is doing what you can to give your baby a healthy start in life. That's in our next Medical Minute.
Today's Medical Minute brought to you by Hospitality Health ER.
One thing that's essential for expecting moms and their babies is prenatal care. Studies show babies of mothers who do not get prenatal care are 3 times more likely to have low birth weight. Dr. Jennifer Salinas offers advice in our Medical Minute for having a healthy pregnancy.
And start taking prenatal vitamins that have the folic acid and iron in them. Actually, you can start taking prenatal vitamins even 1 month prior to becoming pregnant. It's also important to drink enough water. Remember that your body is making a baby that is mostly water and has water all around it. So your body needs more than the normal amounts of water. Another important thing in pregnancy is that people often have nausea and morning sickness. And a lot of this is because they have an empty stomach. That's why in the morning you have more morning sickness than any other part of the day, because you have an empty stomach. So a lot of times I'll tell people to keep some crackers at the bedside and go ahead and eat a few even before getting out of bed. And a lot of times this will help. Also remember that you want to exercise. This will help with the physical labor during pregnancy, and also with stress throughout pregnancy. Just make sure not to get dehydrated or overheated. Remember that you want to avoid hot tubs and saunas because it can make you too hot. And make sure to get plenty of rest.
Your body will be changing so much during pregnancy, and the baby too. So doctors say keeping your regularly scheduled appointments is very important.